Top 5 Refrigerator Set 39. Discover the best products for your home. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. BougeRV 23 Quart 12V Portable Fridge/Freezer. The BougeRV 23 Quart 12V Portable Fridge/Freezer outperforms similar models with faster cooling, ultra-low energy use, and a durable, compact design. Perfect for road trips, camping, or tailgating. Unlike bulky coolers, it chills to -4 degrees Fahrenheit or keeps drinks cold for days, all powered by your vehicle's 12V outlet. Easy to transport with a built-in handle, it's ideal for Kansas City 66117 adventurers. Navigate options using your keyboard's up/down arrows for a seamless shopping experience. Part of the automotive parts and accessories department, BougeRV delivers reliability and innovation. Whether you're exploring the Midwest or commuting daily, this portable fridge ensures fresh food and cold drinks wherever you go. Efficient, rugged, and built for real life. Number 4. LG 27 Cu.Ft Smart Side-by-Side Refrigerator. Upgrade your kitchen with the LG 27 Cu.Ft Smart Side-by-Side Refrigerator. Spacious, sleek, and packed with innovation. Compared to similar models, it offers superior energy efficiency, Wi-Fi connectivity, and LG's renowned InstaView door-and-door design for quick access without losing cold air. Easily navigate settings using your keyboard's up or down arrows for seamless control. Perfect for tools and home improvement enthusiasts seeking reliability and smart features. Now delivering to Kansas City 66117. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or replacing an old unit, this refrigerator combines style, capacity, and cutting-edge technology. Select the right department to explore more and experience the convenience of modern refrigeration, designed to keep your food fresher, longer, with the trusted quality of LG. Number 3. Samsung RF32CG 5900SR30CU Foot French Door Fridge. Upgrade your kitchen with the Samsung RF32CG 5900SR30CU Foot French Door Fridge. Spacious, stylish, and smarter than ever. With 30 cubic feet of flexible storage, it outshines similar models in capacity and organization. The Twin Cooling Plus system keeps food fresher longer, while the sleek fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish adds modern elegance. Easily navigate settings using intuitive controls. Just use your keyboard's up or down arrows to move between options. Designed for convenience, it's perfect for busy households. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. Select the Appliances department to explore more. Experience advanced cooling, energy efficiency, and Samsung innovation, all in one stunning refrigerator. Make the smart choice for your home today. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BR1000HS 10CU Foot Top Freezer Refrigerator. The BLACK+DECKER BR1000HS 10CU Foot Top Freezer Refrigerator delivers reliable, space-saving performance. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or small kitchens. Compared to similar compact models, it offers superior energy efficiency, quiet operation, and a sleek, fingerprint-resistant finish. The adjustable glass shelves and clear crisper drawers maximize storage flexibility, while the reversible door fits any layout. To move between items, use your keyboard's up or down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. Select the department you want to search in, home and kitchen, for this essential appliance. Enjoy dependable cooling with BLACK+DECKER's trusted quality. Upgrade your space with a refrigerator that combines style, functionality, and value. Ideal for everyday needs and modern living. Number 1. Simpli-Magic 10CU.Foot Double-Door Compact Fridge. The Simpli-Magic 10CU.Foot Double-Door Compact Fridge offers superior storage and sleek design, outperforming similar models with its spacious interior, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. Perfect for dorms, offices, or small kitchens, it features adjustable shelves, a freezer compartment, and reversible doors for flexible placement. Compared to other compact fridges, it delivers more capacity and reliability at an unbeatable value. Easily navigate product details using your keyboard's up and down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. For a smarter, more convenient cooling solution, choose Simpli-Magic, where innovation meets everyday needs. Upgrade your space with a fridge that works as hard as you do. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.